In today's lesson, Lesson 3 for grades K to 2, we will be learning about listening position. Today, we are going to continue to practice speaker power in our sharing circle. Who remembers the best way for all of us to move into sharing circle? Teacher, please pause here and see the directions. Now, we will have a sharing circle using a speaker power object. Let's take turns in the circle and share something we remember about sharing circle, speaker power, or the sharing circle rules. Teacher, please pause here and see the directions. Let's continue to practice sharing circle and speaker power. Teacher, please pause here and see the directions. Taking turns talking and listening carefully to other people is a difficult skill, but everyone will get better at it as we continue to practice. Let's talk about listening. Why is listening important? When is it important to listen? What can happen when we are not good listeners? For example, what would happen if we didn't listen to fire drill directions? Teacher, please pause here for a brief discussion. When we listen well, we are safer and better able to learn. Can any of you think of a time that you wanted to tell someone something, but the person was not listening? How did it feel when the person was not listening to you? How can you tell when someone is not listening to you? Teacher, please pause here for a brief discussion. Listening position. This lesson will help you learn how to be good listeners. In listening position, the listener sits or stands straight. The listener faces the speaker, and the listener makes eye contact with the speaker. Teacher, please pause here and see the directions. Another way to remember listening position is to ask yourself, do I shine? Let's look at the chart to see what shine stands for. The S in shine stands for sit up straight. H stands for hands are folded. I stands for in your own space. N stands for no noise or sounds. And E stands for eyes on the speaker. Let's practice getting into listening position. Everyone, look away from each other. At the count of 5, let's see how quickly we can get into listening position. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Teacher, pause here and see the directions. When you pay attention, you use your mind to listen very carefully to what other people say. Why do you think it's important to pay attention? We are going to play a game to practice listening and paying attention. Everyone, please get into listening position and close your eyes. Teacher, please stop displaying your screen to the students. On the next slide, pause at the word list. Students, listen carefully and clap when you hear the word cat, and only then. Teacher, read the word list at a rate of about 1 word per second. Word list 1. There is an additional word list on the next slide. After the first round of the activity, have students share any difficulties they had with the activity. Ask, what are some things you can do to listen more carefully? Word list 2. Teacher, please see the variations of this activity at the bottom of the page. Teacher, please see additional variations for this activity at the bottom of the page. Reflective summary. What did you learn from today's lesson? What helped you listen better? How did it help? Teacher, please pause here for a brief discussion. If time allows, please continue the video to watch Join In and Play by Cherry J. Miners.
Join In and Play by Cherry J. Miners. I like to play. I can do lots of things alone. Sometimes I'd rather play with a friend. When I see someone I'd like to play with, I can walk up and smile as I say hello. Hi. The person might be looking for a friend too. I can tell something about me or ask a question. What are you drawing? I can listen. A boat. I can answer in a nice way. Sometimes my friend invites me to play along. It looks cool. Do you want to draw too? I can also ask to play. I might think of a way to join in. Can I play? When I ask to join in, people might say no. I can ask again later, or I can look for a different friend to play with me. If I need help joining in, I can ask a grown-up. Can I play too? I can invite someone to play with me. Do you want to play Duck Duck Goose? I can tell my ideas and listen to other ideas too. When we share ideas, we are cooperating. Okay, can I be it first? I can play with more than one friend. My friends can too. I want everyone to get along. Sometimes I lose a game, or get picked last, or don't get a turn. I can still have fun, and things might go better next time. We might get a turn tomorrow. When things don't go well for someone else, I can say something kind. You can play with me. A person may do something that I don't think is fair. I can say how I feel. I'm using it now. If I also listen to how the other person feels, we may solve our problem. I want a turn. Okay, I'm almost done. I can play fair and follow the rules. I can listen and speak kindly. I can share and wait my turn. I can show respect. When I join in and play, I can make friends by being a good friend.